welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this color changing text animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in colorful, and I'm also going to change the font as well, just to make it a little bit more pretty. This is gonna take a while. Let's just use this one. Wait, where is it? God, I missed it. Sorry. I'm just trying to find a cute font, okay. Yeah, let's do like this one. And let's actually add like a background, maybe like a pink one behind it. So, okay, to create like a color changing text effect, select like this keyframe here and select the color that you want first. My God, I can't see this font that well actually. Okay, maybe like this yellow one. So add a keyframe here and then go to the like next frame. Then select another color, preferably one that you can see. I'm gonna change the background later so it's a little bit more visible. And then here, I want it to be like a purple, and then here I want it to be pink, and then here I want it to be yellow again. Actually I'm going to select green, and then here I'm just going to actually delete the rest, and I'm just going to copy and paste it because it will take a long time if I did that for the whole thing. But yeah, as you can see, the color is changing, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!